Hey, how's it going? Today I am going to tackle my 50 horsepower Mercury outboard. It's a two-stroke, needs a new thermostat, I think. Anyway, wasn't peeing too good the other day. Has a brand new water pump already. So I'm going to change the thermostat. So step one, we got to get this cowling cover off, which I've already unlatched it, so it should come off fairly easy. All right. It's an old but reliable engine. Has been a good beastie. So the water thermostat is underneath this cowling, which I've already broke the bolts loose. Fortunately, it wasn't rusted. And I scraped the old gasket off and sanded it nice and smooth. Then I treated these bolts with some Never Seas to make sure that this can come off again if I need it to. And this housing cover, I just dropped one of those bolts. Inside, not too bad. Not too bad. But the kit comes with a new one, so we're not going to worry about that. Here's the old thermostat. It is corroded. It is a little bit misshapen. The gasket was twisted. Not too terrible, actually. There's the poppet. Not too bad. A little bit of corrosion on there. The inside looks good. I always flush the motor 10 minutes after every time we take it out. So not too bad inside. Anyway, I've cleaned all these surfaces, all the gasket off, and it's ready to put it together. For this 50 horse, this is a 2001 50 horsepower two-stroke. The kit is by GLM, and the part number 13141, and it's a thermostat kit. It comes with everything. It's for 40 through 60 horsepower, 3-cylinder. So in the kit comes with a gasket, the new thermostat, of course, and this rubber seal around here I had to install, but it peels on there real easy right over the edge of it, no problem. Here's the new poppet, and then of course it has the housing, brand new. So we're going to use the new one. And it also comes with this little telltale fitting, which would go here, but there's nothing wrong with my old one. I'm not going to mess with it. So the poppet goes in first, then the thermostat, and for the life of me I don't know. See the little, this has a little bypass hole. I do not know which direction that's supposed to face. And I didn't pay attention when I took it off, so I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm going to put it up. Then comes our new gasket. I'm not going to use any sealant because I don't think I need it. And we're going to get these bolts in. So I'll put the phone down to do that. So, a hiccup. This hole is not round, and the bolt doesn't want to go through. So that's disappointing. The rest are fine. But you can see that one's a little bit ovaled. So I'm going to have to take a drill bit and just clean that a little bit real quick. Okay, so the bolts up here are 5/16. So I have a 5/16 bit in the drill, and I'm just going to run it through that housing real quick. Okay, I ran a bit through there, drill bit 5/16, and we'll just do a quick test. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alright, gotta get the gasket, put it all together properly. Okay, it's all back in place. I'm having to use my cell phone today because I don't have my GoPro with me. That was the trouble hole right there. Just had to run a drill bit, clean it just a little bit. Had a little bit of an imperfection. No big deal. Like I say, I've already put Never Seas on these. Let's see. I'm using Permatex anti-seize lubricant. And you can get this at any auto parts. Or a marine supply center, maybe, if you want to pay double. By the way, this thermostat kit was ordered from Marine Trading Post. They had the best price, and they did not have it in stock, but they got it pretty quick for me. I'm using a 1/2-inch socket here. I'm just going to snug all these up a little bit before we torque them down. Hard to do one-handed. There is torque specifications for all these things, but I just take it easy. And I'm not going here to here. I jumped. I'm going to jump to here, and then I'll jump here and then go diagonally. Try to get some even torque on it. It's never a bad idea. These don't have to be crazy tight. And that should do the trick. So I just put this bimini top on. That was an adventure, but I did not video it because of bad weather we've been having. Alright guys, I hope that helped out. Guys and gals. We can all have fun. Till next time.